Welcome back to Getting Started with Branch. Before we begin installing Branch, we must install a couple of tools which Branch depends on. Please make sure you have installed all the tools listed in the README of Branch repo on GitHub. After you have done that, download and install WordPress as you would normally do. For this video, I have already installed WordPress and logged into my dashboard. After installing WordPress, we'll install Branch using Composer. Let's do that now. Open your terminal and go to the Themes folder of your WordPress and type this command. This will take some time depending on the speed of your internet. Once it's done, open up the theme in your favorite editor to make few final changes. Then go to style.css and update the commented section which defines the properties of your theme and change them as you like. Also change the screenshot.png with a screenshot of your theme's design with the same dimensions. The last thing in the installation process is updating dev URL variable in gulf-file.js to match with your local web server's URL. In my case, it's localhost 8080. That's all to it. See you in the next video.